Alright, box 2. Topps Marquee Baseball Cards. Here we go. Parallel is Johnny Mize for the New York Mets, number to 199. I think it's Mets. No, sorry, New York Giants, excuse me. Yeah, New York Giants. The hit, number to 600. There's the on-card auto already in the first pack of this one. Fernando Martinez for the Mets. Second Mets hit. This one, the on-card auto one is like 100 point. Looks like. Maybe a little smaller. Looks like a National Treasures card, kinda. A little fatter. It's got the botch. Some kind of botch. Michael Pineda, a rookie, number to 199, copper for the Mariners. That's nice. Look at that. Pineda and a Pineda parallel. Okay. Good luck. Cincinnati Reds. We got Jay Bruce. 3 jerseys and a bat. Is that a bat? No, it's some kind of like elastic. It's like the elastic patch or something. The white piece. A piece of his jockstrap, or most likely pants or something. I don't know. Jay Bruce, number to 150. Quad. Funny patch, just saying. Funny piece of prime in that one. Got another fat one. Felix Hernandez, blue to 299, Mariners. Just getting some stacks, a little stack going. This is good luck. Looks like Hayward. That's nice. Jason Hayward jersey patch auto for the Braves. That's pretty sick. Excuse me for moving all over the place. Acclaimed Impressions, numbered 8 of 20. Number to 20. He's shortening up his auto. That's a nice one. In the last pack, gonna have another memorabilia, or maybe probably Titanic threads, or something else. Titanic threads made out of wood. Parallel, excuse me. Alex Rodriguez, blue for the Yankees, to 299. Wow, stacking. 41 of 99 jumbo jersey of Tom Seaver for the New York Mets. Yeah, go Mets. More Mets. Mets got 3 in the first 2 boxes. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.